Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to post a status on the StarMaker application. Watch the video till the end to learn how. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. From your app list, tap Open StarMaker. After you're in, tap on the plus icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you can post your status. Simply type in whatever your status is. If you want to share your location, then tap on Share Your Location. Allow the app to access to the location by tapping on Only Allow while using the app or Deny. If you want to tag someone, then tap on the Add the Red button and tag anyone that you like. Use hashtags to your status, search for them. If you want to post any kind of a picture from your gallery, then tap on the Gallery button and import any picture you'd like. You can choose a background by tapping on AA. For your status, if you want to add music or video to your story, then tap on this video button and record any kind of a video you'd like. After you're done typing in your status, simply tap on the Send button and go to your profile icon, which says Me at the bottom right. Go through your profile and you'll be able to see this status that you just shared. That is how you can post our stages on StarMaker. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.